this morning, so decided to use the gym again and come and use this gorgeous pool, and I'll show you what woke us up. Took us a bit longer to get here than we expected because we had an unscheduled stop at a place trying to sell us loads of handmade goods, but we're here now and our guide seems very enthusiastic, so let's hope it's a good trip.
I've forced some history on Callum yet again, and so today we're at the Ho Chi tunnels. The Ho Chi tunnels are an immense network of connecting tunnels located near Saigon. They're part of a much larger network that underlie a lot of the country that were built during the Vietnamese War and during the French Indochine War to help move supplies.
And stand up your hand, sit down slowly. See, you can do it well. Well done. Okay, that's enough. Push up. Your hand up first. Two hand. Yes. Next, please. Who volunteers? Yeah, please. And we tap with automatic cover. The main purpose for this step is used to slow down enemy operation and lessen the number of soldiers in enemy side. Because just one soldier set down here, see, bamboo stick will stop them, right? So the victim will sound. Was the secret entrance. We got a short glass so you can see through it. This way go to American Bay with the name Parachute Ways. 3 kilometers underground. This way go to Saigon River, 1 km underground.
Apart from the tunnels, there were various other displays and reenactments, and there was a shooting range where, if you wanted, you could go and shoot either pistols or I think AK-47s as well, but that was quite pricey, and to be honest, we didn't really fancy that. Is hosing down because someone yesterday chucked a cigarette in and started a fire.
In war, rule century, did even rubber sandal, even Ho Chi Minh leader who can't even alcohol, he wore rubber sandal on wooden steel soil into booming horn. Because boom new soil, right?
Are you okay? I'm okay. Yeah. Meine Güte. Oh mein Gott. Are you okay? Yeah, guys, come on, follow me. You can do it. No. Keep going, I'm going to get cramped. What was there? Outside.
Very fetching.
Yeah, let's go.
Right, that'll do me. I'll see you come out.
Geht's los. Aber es geht gleich noch weiter. Ja, gehen Sie hinterher oder mit raus?
Okay, see where Jan emerges from.
Very too hard.
I'm getting dizzy.
You're going dizzy?
Yeah.
Want to try? Yeah, okay. Anyone else?
25 metres later.
Quite a bit smaller.
Is it? Would I have struggled?
Yeah, you wouldn't have got through.
Oh my god.
The last stretch.
That was so hard.
Before this kitchen were created, if you see they this style many times when Americans come here many days, you know, they cannot cook. Because if they cook, smoke rise up in the sky.
Don't know where they are.
They rub bomb on all.
Dip it in your tea. And the peanut.
Tastes good.
Not bad.
Yeah.
We make sodium glutamate. Sodium glutamate from this potato as well.
Ban Zio. I don't know if you'll see it with the flashing lights around it, but basically this is what she's got. Big pancake folded over with prawn and noodles and all sorts, or bamboo shoots and pork in it, with a load of greenery, and you use the rice paper to wrap it up and then dip it in the sauce, and it's okay. Getting any better? Or is it just okay?
Big day.